The Enderlin EF5 upgrade is scientifically justified and well-deserved based on the damage evidence, but it also highlights an inconsistency problem in tornado rating that the meteorological community needs to address. If we're going to require this level of scientific analysis and expert collaboration to confirm EF5 damage, then we need to be applying that same thoroughness, consistency across all violent tornado surveys. Otherwise, we're just creating an inconsistent system where some tornadoes get the full technical treatment while others will not.